Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn search Boolean strings for job titles, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basic components of a Boolean search. Boolean strings allow you to combine keywords with operators to refine your search. Start with the job title you want to find. For example, if you are looking for a software engineer, use the phrase software engineer. To broaden your search, include variations. Use the OR operator to include synonyms. For instance, you could search for software engineer or developer or programmer. To narrow down your search results, use specific. For example, if you want a software engineer with experience in Java, you can write software engineer and Java. Next, this prevents confusion in your search logic. For example, you can structure your query as software engineer and Java or Python or C++. To exclude unwanted terms, use the not operator. If you want results excluding those related to management, you can phrase it as software engineer not manager. Utilize quotation. If you want to find the exact phrase data analyst, enclose it in quotes like this, data analyst. Combine all these techniques to build. For example, you might search for software engineer and Java or C#, not manager. Adjust your Boolean strings based. If you get too many irrelevant results, reconsider your keywords and operators. Refine your search by experimenting with different job titles and terms. To see how your searches perform, review the list of potential candidates. Save effective Boolean searches for future use. This can save you time and improve your recruiting process. By following these steps, you can effectively configure LinkedIn search Boolean strings for job titles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.